It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight.
Frontier Schools recently hosted the annual KC STEM Fest, and it is a showcase packed with creativity, innovation, and a whole lot of hands-on learning. And joining me now are two science teachers from Frontier Schools. We have Rochelle Breslin and Salim Sakin. Thank you both for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, so if someone's never been to the KC STEM Fest, what can they expect?
KC STEM Fest is a showcase where our students are showing off their talents in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, anything from coding to robotics to earth science, anything that they have been working on this school year. And their families can come in, the community can come in, see what they've been working on and have a hands-on experience with their projects.
So let's talk a little bit about the projects. You're talking about hands-on, things like that. So what do the projects look like?
Robots walking around, drones flying around in the air. There were some rockets being shot off in the gym. Coding projects, there were some science Olympiad projects that were there. Just a bunch of projects that the students have been working on in their after-school clubs, in their current classes, and whatnot.
Salim, this is your second year with KC STEM Fest. What is the importance of this? Why is it something that kids
It's very important because with the STEM Fest, our students really understood that their research, their hard work really matters for everyone. Yes, by the time they create their projects and showcase, they practice their skills like critical thinking, innovation, and problem solving. And they show this to everyone because everyone wants to show their skills to everyone.
Yeah, and it prepares kids for the future, right?
Absolutely.
Yes, so when they become our high school students, they have a choice to choose one of the 6 pathways. 3 main ones are engineering, biomed, and computer science. And we only don't teach the theory, but we also teach them how to apply this knowledge to the real world problems. By the time they graduate, they have a lot of experience with these skills, which is necessary for their future careers or college applications.
Okay, so what website can we send people to learn more information?
They can go to our school website, frontierschools.org, to find out more information about our schools, or they can go to any of our social medias.
Excellent. All right, well, thank you both so much. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
This Kansas City Spotlight has been paid for by Frontier Schools. For more information, visit frontierschools.org.